fix the slides? Come on. Oh, you're not that shy. I always have to fight to get a slice of pizza.
So me against my let's start. Okay, I'm Duane Sto. I'm here to discuss or to present about CouchDB. It's a database server. So, is there someone here who knows CouchDB? He's the expert. So if I didn't answer your question, Marty's name. So let's. Before we start, I'd like to give you a quick preview, so you will know what will happen in the. Oh, Mike.
Mike, hurry up, we miss you.
I will give you a quick preview on my presentation. It will be why CouchDB, what is CouchDB, how it's working, so my experience on it, and also some sample codes. So it will take long. So you better. So what to expect? What to expect after this presentation? So for developers, don't expect that it will make you an instant expert on CouchDB. I will just give you a small info about it. So you need to study it by yourself. Play around with it. So and then my limitation. I'm still new on CouchDB, so that's my limitation. And if your questions, if I didn't answer your question, I will try to research it and try to give you the answer. So let's see. And also my English. So you know all that I'm not really good in English. So if you don't understand something, you can ask me, so I can try to explain it. Everything clear?
Yes.
Yes, master.
Pampalaot na lang.
Here. Kung ano masabi ko. So what is CouchDB? As you can see there, it's a document database. Can you see all over there? It's a document database, and if you are wondering what is document database, so if you have a database, for example, composed of documents. So for example, in our basic or our common database is MySQL, right? So in MySQL, we have a database. This is a database, and In that database, you have a lot of tables. Tables here. And in that table, you have fields or rows. So that's the data. So this is a table. Data, this is a data. So that's in MySQL. So in CouchDB, you have a database and you have documents. So this is documents. So there are no table. As you can see there is no table. So you see it is composed only by documents. So schema pre, no table. It's like what I told you, no table. So schema pre is like so you can see there you have no table. So for example, you have users table, and let's say articles. So we have two tables. So how can we do that in CouchDB? So in CouchDB, you can have, for example, this part, these documents is user. So this is user documents. So and this three are your articles. So they can be in the same level. So they are on the same level. No design needed. When you are starting a project, when you start it, you need to design the database before you start a project. So in CouchDB, you can start a project without designing this. But you can have an initial database design. It can be added. So that's a good thing about it. And also about the rebuilding of schema, because most of the projects are like, for example, you are already in the middle of the project and you want to add a table. That's always happening, right? So you want to add a field or you want to add a table. The good thing in CouchDB, you can add table without rebuilding the schema. So that's a good thing. And also, even the system are running, you can add table or you can create a new module for it, so it will never go down. So that's CouchDB. So what's not on CouchDB? Relational database. It's not a relational database. As you can see in my drawing. As you can see in my drawing.